Hello, I'm Sandeep and I'm going to give a brief overview on this ebook about the Python programming language. This book is intended as a short introductory guide for those already familiar with programming basics. In the introduction chapter, you will see how to install Python, execute the customary Hello World example, get to know about the REPL interactive shell, and how to utilize documentation. Python is a dynamically typed language. In this chapter, you learn the syntax for declaring integer and floating point data types, arithmetic operators, and their precedence. Next, you will see the various ways in which strings can be declared, string operators, formatting, how to get input from the user, and convert from one data type to another. There are several exercises provided throughout the book, which will help test your understanding of Python syntax and logical skills. Next, you will learn how to define your own functions, pass arguments to them, and get back results. Conditional expressions and control structures like if-else and loops completes the basic programming lessons. Apart from the usual comparison operators, Python also supports nifty features like comparison chaining and the membership operator. The next two chapters focus on importing, creating, and installing modules. You will also learn about virtual environments, which allow you to work with specific Python and package versions without interfering with other projects. As your Python scripts grow, learning how to debug and test them will become essential. Next, you will learn about container data types, tuple, list, dictionary, and set. These are useful to solve a wide variety of problems, and Python provides extensive support for manipulating the data contained in them. The Python standard library has even more specialized containers. There are so many string processing methods that an entire chapter is dedicated to them. Comprehensions and generator expressions are handy Python features that make it simpler to perform map, filter, and reduce operations. Next, you will learn how to handle file operations and modules that are useful for file processing. This chapter will show how to execute external commands from Python, capture their output, and other relevant details. And finally, you will learn how to handle command line arguments and create your own CLI applications. Hope you will find this book useful. Happy learning!